Hello. Hi, Kathy.
Hi,
How are you?
fine. How are you?
Good. करो
Good.
ऑन कैमरा हाँ. Okay. तो बैंगलोर में मौसम कैसा है?
Yeah. Uh, so
Oh,
actually, I today I did one.
मुझे
What is
तुम्हारी
that with
आवाज नहीं है. एक वन मिनट
manifestation?
वन मिनट. आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर यू.
Okay. Good, good. You're together. You're working hard. I can't do that.
अदरवाइज अभी बताओ.
Where is Vasuki?
क्या करते हो आप ऐसे अदरवाइज? मतलब
Sorry.
खूब घूम रहे हो. हाँ. एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, 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 yes.
हेलो.
Hi, Vasuki.
हेलो. नॉट ऑडिबल.
Mute, mute, unmute, unmute, unmute.
Yeah. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
हाय.
How are you?
How are you?
जस्ट अ मोमेंट.
Great. Great.
Hi, Poonam. Hi, Poonam.
हेलो.
Unmute. Hi. Unmute, unmute.
Yeah. Am I not audible
Yeah.
now?
Now you're
Huh?
audible.
Hi,
Yes.
Poonam. Hi. So we three are only there?
Four
Ah,
of us.
Akka is also there. How many? Let's see that. Sarita is also there. Are there participants? I gave a call to Priniti. Maybe she's busy. She didn't pick up my call.
Easy ma, easy ma, easy ma, easy ma. Be careful. Anybody join for angelic, archangel, like angelic? No,
Hi.
only Reiki. All are done with Reiki.
Yeah. Reiki
Okay.
only, I think.
Yeah, last some webinar something it was there. No, I was not joined. I didn't know what was that actually. I couldn't understand. What was that? Was the master class? I feel I didn't know exactly what to do.
वो एंजल्स वाला ही था. इट वाज एंजल्स कोर्स.
No, after that, one more angels. Some 8,000 only. I heard about 8,000. The fees was. I don't know which was it. That for the masters, I feel. I didn't know exactly what was it.
But I didn't receive
So
any message.
no, it was there, na. No, it was actually it was in the group only.
Okay.
So I was very late. I was very late. Last that money part it was going on that time, and I sent a message also. What was it exactly? I couldn't understand, but she couldn't reply because already the
Tomorrow
class
I'll
webinar.
see and I'll check. Chalo, let's start. Vasuki ma'am, how are
Yeah,
you?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm great. I'm just taking water so that
Just
I don't run again in between.
yeah, it's okay. Because today we are just discussing our symbols and how like are you all practicing Reiki?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
That
almost.
chokure,
Sometimes
I
I have.
will. Chokure, I will be doing in between. Okay, that only that chakras
Chakra
I'll
wala.
be taking because I'll be most of the time I'm traveling from last March, February, what January 30th onwards. I keep traveling, too much traveling, and lot
Okay.
of pujas.
Same
So
here.
in between I'm not able to.
Okay. Chalo, let's start
So
because we are only four are there. So let's start.
okay.
Do you have any queries regarding these at least three basic wale? Chokure, Honsha
Okay, I'm comfortable. See, I have a doubt. See, like
Okay.
onsa, what is that?
Concha
The doubt.
Zensonen. Concha Zensonen.
Yeah. See, we should draw that in the hand, and on top of that, chokure or seiki we can draw, or how is it? That was little bit confusion I have.
I'll clear it. Abhi, Vasugi ma'am, do you have any problem regarding Honsha?
No, I remember Concha Zensonen.
Okay, I'm sharing one screen. Okay. Sharing application windows. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
No, not yet started. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. First is chokure. Like chokure,
Yes.
where we can use it. There are examples.
Okay.
Okay, I'll share this sheet with you. Don't worry at all. Okay. So what we can do is like we can empower this. Anything we are using, chokure we are using for empowering the रेके सिंबल्स किसी चीज को भी पावर देना है चोकुरे यूज करना है ट्रीटमेंट ऑन द स्पॉट देना है ऑन द स्पॉट ट्रीटमेंट है के लिए चोकुरे इज देयर एंड किसी को प्रोटेक्शन देना है देन ऑल्सो चोकुरे इज देयर मील्स
Mm.
को मील्स खाने के टाइम पे वी आर यूजिंग चोकुरे effectiveness and reduce the effect of medications जो भी because whenever we will do रेके ना we will definitely remove those medical medicines effect
Oh, can we
every
do while eating also?
pardon.
Can we, while eating for the food also, we can do chokure?
Yes.
Okay,
While
okay,
eating,
okay.
like before starting your meal, just draw chokure
Yes.
and with your third eye and request it that this food is very much healthy for me. ठीक है ना?
Okay.
हाँ, तो this is like water को भी ऐसे ही charge water with this chokure only.
Okay, okay.
If you have some
And
dream,
okay.
then we need to draw Honsha Zishunen. That is it in distant because Honsha
Yeah.
Zishunen and chokure.
So we
Okay.
can draw in the mind also. Can we
Yes,
draw in the mind or in the hand?
Yes, we have to do it in the mind only. We don't need hands to be moved.
And on the palm.
No. What did you say that if we have dream?
If we have any kind of like dream to manifest, like anything to manifest, okay?
Okay,
That's
to
Okay.
manifest.
in universe. Whatever is with universe, we will use Honsha,
Okay.
okay? To
And
reach,
Honsha is
to
not
connect with that, connect with our dream or manifestation or anything we want.
and that drawing of Honsha will be in imagination, not in hand or in the air or in the air.
Not required. Chokure is required like afterwards in your hand. Okay, to charge to increase the power of Honsha. Even if you want to draw Honsha in your hand, that's your wish. Because if you are sitting all alone and charging your water or manifesting some chit, okay, so you can do
Okay, for
Honsha.
manifestation, you are saying it is Honsha in imagination?
We can do. You can try. That's why yeah, like practice ना कि हाँ कितनी बार लिख लिख के practice किया.
Not like
Okay,
that. See, on top of that, Onsha is there, no? We can first we are drawing that. On top of that, in the hand, when if we are drawing, again chokure also we can draw in the same hand without rubbing our hand, right?
Yes,
This is what I
perfect.
have a confusion. Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay, that's what. Thank you
Honsha
so much.
don't have any past, present or future. That is just
Okay.
like for connectivity. ठीक है. At the time
Okay.
we'll
Yeah.
use Honsha, it will connect.
and
Okay.
without having the hand, on top of it, you can draw a chokure.
Uh-huh.
Without,
Definitely yes.
without. Okay.
Yes. You just
Yeah.
draw. First we draw Honsha, then Chokure. Chokure first we have to, first we will draw Chokure only. to invoke the energies, Reiki, to invite Reiki energy and to enhance the
Okay.
energy. Okay, we'll draw chokure first.
Then
Is it
Honsha.
clear? Then Honsha, then chokure for anyone. The thing we are even manifesting or we are doing any kind of Reiki on the other person. We will draw chokure again.
And both the time
Sorry,
when we are
come back.
I'm really
when
sorry.
we are drawing this chakra, both the time we are giving the healing to the client. Or the first
Yes.
chakra
Okay.
is for our
देखो, first chakra is to invite Reiki and increase its power. Then we will do,
and
safeguard ourselves.
no, this first chakra is for safeguarding ourselves.
For safeguarding ourselves.
Yeah.
Then
Understood.
Honsha to connect with anything. Even if the person is in front of you, you can draw Honsha also. Honsha has no past, present, and future. Honsha will help you removing all the negative energies also. So there
Okay.
is no
Okay.
harm
And
while drawing Honsha.
then again chakra when we are doing it, it is for the
Ah,
client.
yes. Then chakra
But
for either manifestation or for client.
And that
but
is for
she
26.
said, whatever her name is, I forgot. She
Dr.
told us
Nidhi,
that Honsha.
Neha Puri.
Neha. She said, Neha said that for distance only you have to use Honsha
Huh.
Zinsonen.
That's why I'll send you this document. Now you just read this document side
Yeah.
by side. I have already I have copied it from SlideShare only. So
Okay,
there are
okay.
many ways to send Reiki. A lot of practitioners use this technique. Okay, this is to activate the power symbol. Yani power symbol is our chokure. Okay, we can give it power to chokure also. So that's why I'm saying we can draw Honsha before chokure also.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
And
write the name of
chokure
the.
and se
Hanji.
sorry. Chokure and Sehiki can be drawn together or one by one
First
while
we will
healing
do.
the client?
We will do afterwards Seheki because first we just clear it Honsha and chokure. Then we'll come to Seheki. Okay. I have written
Okay.
four of the things are there. And we will do, if possible, so we'll do Shikha Seheki and Shikha So also. Okay. So let's revise it. Then see, Honsha is for
Symbol.
write the name. Sorry.
Sorry, I said any specific symbol for skin like these acne prone skins and all.
Chokure is for
And
everything. Chokure is for
for skin.
everything. Yes, you can use
For,
chokure. Chokure ke
okay.
baad you just when you like will come to Raku na, I'll definitely tell you about Raku also. How to close the session. Why we use Raku? Raku is for actually grounding.
Okay.
Okay, grounding and sealing the energies, right energies, what we have given to the patient or client. Okay, we'll discuss here only. ठीक है इसके बाद क्या है हॉन्शा का था वी आर डूइंग हॉन्शा ना फिर देन राइट द नेम
Yeah.
ऑफ द रेसिपेंट फर्स्ट वी एक्टिवेटेड द पावर सिंबल फिर देन any situation anything to which we are sending energy either on the piece of paper or to the person we are using honsha what we can't see actually basically what we can't see even it's like illness any disease anything we want to take care of it we can use honsha and afterwards chokure to increase the power of chokure.
No, for manifestation, like if we are writing on a page, so on that page we need to draw the chokure, then
No,
honsha. No, then
either like you can just we don't need pen or paper ठीक है paper पे you have your wish right ठीक है afterwards you just do it mentally take two fingers
mentally in a
we make this way जो है ना two fingers and these fingers are like if we hold this is a pran mudra is to give anything pran pranic में ये pran mudra है ठीक है, तो we can make this
Okay.
way.
अच्छा,
ठीक है,
in
हाँ,
imagination. So write
हाँ,
manifestation on draw Honsha and Chokure in your imagination, and then what to do with that page?
कुछ नहीं, you just give Reiki to that page.
For
And
your
find
wish.
हाँ,
Yeah.
for your
हाँ
wish. It's written over here also ना, साथ साथ पढ़ो,
चौक
सेकंड
अपना
पॉइंट
जो
पढ़ के देखो. Read the second point. Write the name of the recipient or situation you are sending energy to on a piece of paper. Hold the paper between your hand and give Reiki to it. That's it.
draw Honsha Reshonen in the air above the paper and repeat the name 3 times. Hmm.
ठीक है ना? Even on air, as soon, जैसे मर्जी, you have to just remember Honsha. ठीक है, फिर इसके बाद come to fifth point. Allow Reiki to flow to the recipient for the greatest and highest good. फिर finish the Reiki session clapping your hand or shaking them, like वही कट 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 कुछ करके, या आप जैसे भी यूज करते हो, या कट कर रहे हो, पेपर पे कर रहे हो, whatever. I usually cut on my navel only.
Hmm.
Okay. इसके बाद we come to first Seiki. ठीक है, Seiki is like for all the emotions. ठीक है, इमोशनल सिंबल है. We can any kind of emotion, any kind of connectivity. This is actually called God and man become one. That we are becoming God. अहम ब्रह्मास्मि वाला, कि we are becoming God. और बैलेंस करना है किसी भी चीज को, तो we are using Seiki to balance anything or and everything. ठीक है, either it's wish, either it's the person in front of us, uh, any imbalance in chakras, any imbalance in like your organs, any kind of imbalance, we are using Seiki, and we have to use Seiki after Chokure has been done. ठीक है, Seiki will balance everything, every energy in every cell, और to wish also. like ये नहीं है कि हमने मांग लिया और कल को कुछ और प्रॉब्लम आ जाए. ठीक है, so as per balance, as per the balance in the universe, we use Seiki. Okay. Seiki is then drawn over the troubled area where Reiki energies are required. ठीक है, Seiki improves memory power, rid of bad habits, relationships को improve करना है, empower our affirmations. कोई भी हम affirmations बोल रहे हैं, like, तो हम we can use Seiki to balance it. पर्सनल बॉडीगार्ड की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, वी आर गोइंग समवेयर, वी मेड चोकुरे एंड सेकी एंड वी कैन गो. ठीक है, teaches us about synchronization, harmony of the things in nature. Anything we want harmonized, that has to be used by Seiki only. Gain positive outlook of life, stay happy. खुश रहना है, मन उदास हो रहा है, यूज Seiki. इम्बैलेंस हो रहा है कुछ भी ब्रेन में, यूज Seiki. मन अच्छा नहीं है, यूज Seiki. And you will find it 5 minutes, after 5 minutes you are balanced. Only 5 minutes required Seiki के साथ. You just feel very good. Even if like sometimes रूम में लग रहा है कि नहीं, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा अंदर घर में जाना, या कुछ भी, कोई भी नेगेटिविटी फील हो रही है, यूज Seiki, it will balance it.
So, if you're doing just for 5 minutes, you're not doing the 26 points.
नहीं, this is for like 26 points different case. Like that's for ours, or for this is for generalization. Like हम रूम में गए हैं,
Okay.
we are in room and we are not feeling good. Draw Seiki, you will feel
Okay.
better in 5-10 minutes only. But you have to give 5-minute Reiki to your room. ठीक है, इन्वोक
Okay.
करोगे,
and
रेकी दोगे.
subjects. ये कैसे
सॉरी,
helps
आई
to
डिडंट.
find lost objects.
हाँ, लॉस्ट, वो भी, that will also can be done with Honsha and Seiki.
So how will we come to know lost objects?
that will, either you will find in front of you, कहीं भी नजर आ जाएगा, or you will get into dreams. That will, Reiki will tell you everything either in dreams or it will come to you. You will come to know.
And
Intuition powers.
on,
हाँ जी.
this is to be drawn again in imagination.
हाँ हाँ, everything to be in imagination, nothing to be on the paper. Paper.
Maybe that with that mudra in the air.
प्राण मुद्रा.
Hmm.
ठीक है, प्राण मुद्रा. Then we come to डायकोम्यो. डायकोम्यो कोई भी ब्रेन रिलेटेड कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, कोई भी हमारा सबसे बड़ा जो है मणिपुर चक्रा, उसमें भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है तो यूज डायकोम्यो. किसी भी तरह की पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि हमारी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स इन्हीं दो एरियाज से ज्यादा आती हैं. वी थिंक अलॉट, ओवर थिंकर्स होते हैं. ठीक है. और वी ईट इधर लेस और मोर एज पर लाइक हैबिट्स. हैबिट्स चेंज करनी है, देन ऑल्सो हॉन्शा.
Hansha.
हाँ, हॉन्शा टू कनेक्ट विद हैबिट्स एंड बैलेंस करना है सेकी से.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि हैबिट्स हमारी या तो खराब ही होती हैं, तकरीबन हम लोग कहते हैं ना हमें ये चाहिए और हम प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रहे हैं, है ना. प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन से
Habit.
बचना है तो क्या करेंगे?
अच्छा, ये अपना Hansha.
हॉन्शा को कनेक्ट करेंगे ना. पॉजिटिव एनर्जी
हम्म.
से कनेक्ट किया, बैलेंस किया अपनी नेगेटिव एनर्जी को, एंड वी आर रेडी टू गो.
Habit.
कोई भी पास्ट हीलिंग है किसी भी तरह का, जैसे हमारा पास्ट कर्मास हैं, हमें हील करने हैं, देन वी विल यू डाइकोम्यो. नहीं, हॉन्शा, सॉरी सॉरी, हॉन्शा. कोई भी पास्ट का है, मतलब हमें जो भी कनेक्ट करना है किसी भी चीज से, पास्ट में हो गया या फ्यूचर का कोई इवेंट है. पास्ट और फ्यूचर दोनों. सपोज पास्ट में हमारे साथ, मतलब हम सोचते हैं कि पास्ट में देयर इज सम ट्रबल इन आवर पास्ट, सम चाइल्ड ट्रॉमा हो जाता है कई बार लाइक एनीथिंग, कोई लड़ाई हो गई, दैट इज पास्ट, है ना. उसको करना है ठीक, तो क्या करेंगे? हॉन्शा, उससे कनेक्ट करेंगे, उसे ठीक करेंगे. एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू पास्ट हील करना है, हॉन्शा. डायकोम्यो पे आए थे हम. डायकोम्यो करते हैं. डायकोम्यो क्या है? डायकोम्यो इज द मास्टर सिंबल है एक तो हमारा रेकी का. इससे हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग कैन बी डन बाय डायकोम्यो. ठीक है. ये सारे चक्रास को हील करता है, डिजीजेस ये हील करता है, कोई भी सबकॉन्शियसनेस का बिलीफ है उसे ठीक करना है, डायकोम्यो. एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू ब्रेन, जो भी हम सोच सकते हैं, दैट, जो भी हम देख रहे हैं, एनीथिंग रिलेटेड अप फ्रॉम आवर नेक, कुछ भी है, दैट इज डायकोम्यो. कोई भी
Overthinking.
नेक, कोई भी, हाँ सॉरी,
Overthinking.
ओवर थिंकिंग, डायकोम्यो.
Depression. All these things.
हाँ, ऑल दीज थिंग्स डायकोम्यो. ठीक है. ट्राई
Anxiety.
करेंगे जब डिप्रेशन है या ऐसा कुछ है, तो वी कैन यूज क्रिस्टल्स ऑल्सो along with दैट.
How
थोड़ा
to
बहुत
use them?
क्रिस्ट, दैट विल
Keep.
टेक इन
Just
सम
keep them.
अदर क्लास. हाँ,
Or
सम अदर क्लास.
what?
सॉरी, एमेथिस्ट इज द बेस्ट
How
फॉर हाउ
to
टू.
how to use them while doing the Reiki? These crystals.
Just keep it in your hand. I just show you, just a moment.
You mean the tumbles?
Tumbles also we can keep it in our hand. This is amethyst pencil. If we are doing for someone else, we can use like this also. कि ठीक है, we kept it, we charge it with chokure, we cleaned it, charge it, and then we can use it. ठीक है, we can draw our symbols with these pencils. ठीक है. If we have tumblers like amethyst का tumble है, then तो we can keep it on the, this is amethyst. जो आपके पास tumbles है, मेरे पास ये stone है. ठीक है. I keep it here only.
ये कौन से कलर का है हमारे पास जो स्टोन है, जो हमारे पास ये टम्बल्स
पर्पल
है, विच इज
पर्पल
द कलर?
पर्पल पर्पल कलर. We'll discuss sometime,
सारिका,
some other time. इसके बारे में पूरा है. I have full file.
एक
ठीक
मिनट.
है.
सारिका, एक
हाँ
मिनट.
जी, बोलो भारती.
See, ancestral, that karma, it will keep coming to the three generations also, no? I want to disconnect that. How, which one to use?
Which one to use? हॉन्शा से है. पास्ट लाइफ का कोई भी काम कर रहे हो, ठीक है.
Onsha?
हॉन्शा.
Onsha
पास्ट है.
and plus,
सेकी.
okay.
सेकी टू बैलेंस
Say,
इट. ठीक है. वी विल नॉट गिव मोर एनर्जी टू दैट. ठीक है. उसको बैलेंस करना है तो विल यूज सेकी. और करके उसको डेली डेली करना है. कि 21 डेज का लेके चलना है कि 21 डेज करना है. ठीक है. इट्स नॉट कि एक दिन
okay.
किया और हो गया.
Okay, Honsha and Seiki, both.
बिल्कुल.
Past to release.
हाँ, पास टू रिलीज. आई डिड फॉर यू. उस दिन आई यू सेंड मी योर फोटोग्राफ ना. तो आई
Yeah,
डिड इट फॉर यू. बट वो एक ही बार मैंने
thank
आपका
you,
किया
thank
था.
you.
नहीं, 2 बार किया मैंने. अगले संडे भी किया था मैंने आपका. ठीक है. 2 टाइम्स किया
Okay.
था. तो आपको 5 मेंबर्स जोड़ने हैं मेरे ग्रुप में. और क्या, कुछ तो पे करना पड़ेगा ना. अच्छा ठीक है. तो अभी क्या है?
ब्रेन रिलेटेड स्ट्रेस है,
ब्रेन रिलेटेड.
एंजाइटी है,
हाँ.
ये सीहेकी में भी these
सेकी तो
this stress
रिक्वायर्ड है.
anxiety.
सेकी तो रिक्वायर्ड है बैलेंस करने के लिए. बट हमारे पास मास्टर
डाइकोमियो दे
सिंबल है. हाँ, मास्टर सिंबल भी
नहीं
है
तो
ना.
सेहेकी दें या डाइकोमियो दें फॉर दिस
दोनों
ब्रेन
देंगे.
रिलेटेड?
दोनों देंगे.
दोनों?
हाँ.
मतलब कि पहले हमारा होंशा हो गया, पहले चौकुरू हो गया, फिर होंशा हो गया,
कौनसा
फिर
मत दो.
सेकी हो गया.
अगर 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 इफ
अच्छा
द पर्सन
है
इज
ना?
इफ द पर्सन इज नियर बाय यू.
हाँ नहीं
ठीक
नहीं,
है.
डिस्टेंस सीलिंग है.
तो कोई बात नहीं.
अगर
हौंशा
डिस्टेंस,
बनाओ, साथ के साथ चोकुरे बना लेना. नो नीड टू अलग अलग नहीं देना, इकट्ठा बनाना. ठीक है. हौंशा
अच्छा
को
फिर
कहना.
ये
लिसन लिसन. आई डोंट हैव योर नेम. योर नेम इज कमिंग सिंग ओनली. जस्ट अ मोमेंट.
हाँ, आई
नहीं
एम नॉट
नहीं.
एबल टू सी माई सेल्फ.
पूनम पूनम पूनम. पूनम.
हाँ, आई एम
लेकिन देखो
टू सी
एक
माई.
बात. हाँ, एक बात देखो. हौंशा बनाया. हौंशा बना के से कनेक्ट टू द पर्सन. ठीक है. कनेक्ट टू दैट. नाम ले लिया. ठीक है. उसके बाद यू जस्ट मेक चोकुरे एंड देन स्टार्ट क्लीनिंग. ठीक है. क्लीनिंग द ऑरा. पहले हम ऑरा
26.
गिव इट फॉर 5 minutes ऑन द हेड ओनली. एंड जस्ट थिंक कि हेड टू टो द चोकरे इज वर्किंग इटसेल्फ.
ओके,
ठीक है. 5 minutes.
देन
And then you just use Seiki to balance the body. Every cell of the body will be balanced by Seiki for 5 minutes. ठीक है. Then use chokure.
अगेन
Then
ऑन दी,
use. अभी हो गया,
अगेन ऑन
बैलेंस हो
दी.
गया. सुनो. चोकुरे first 5 minutes for imagination, full body. Then Seiki 5 minutes, full body. Then chokure on the proper area where we need to heal it.
नहीं नहीं, कम बैक अगेन. फर्स्ट वील डू चौकुरे.
ठीक है. 10 minutes crossed. Completed 10 minutes. Chokure and Seiki. ठीक है.
फर्स्ट इज चौकुरे 5 minutes.
हम्म.
देन दिस डिस्टेंस होंशा फॉर 5 minutes.
Distance तो just connect for 2 minutes only.
Okay, 2 minutes. Then, and this chokure for 5 minutes is towards the client.
Yes.
Third is seiki.
Yes, toward the client.
हाँ, seiki. Then fourth is this.
Again, chokure to heal.
अच्छा, again chokure.
हाँ, to heal wherever the healing is
Particular
required.
area. Yes.
On the particular area.
अच्छा,
Then if we need dicomio, like some mental or any kind of mental illness, something, awareness, spiritual development, intuition, anything. ठीक है. Then
then
dicomio.
dicomio again. Or
Then
26
dicomio.
points.
हाँ.
5 minutes or 26 points.
Depend. Dicomio has to be given on the third eye only.
Mhm.
Dicomio will help heal all the chakras because all the energy flow from third eye only.
And then after Daikomyo, again Chokure?
Chokure to seal the energy, and Raku. We are attuned with Raku. We can use Raku.
Raku again for 5 minutes on third eye chakra.
हाँ, for whole body के लिए
Crown
5
chakra.
minutes. On crown
On
chakra,
crown chakra.
crown chakra करो full body पे कर लो चाहे. See that the
Okay.
picture is
Full
in front
body
of you.
पे करेंगे तो 26 points.
Pardon?
Full body पे करेंगे तो 26 points.
Not required. Na full body पे Raku make Raku for like when
Make-
like you are sitting in front of me. I
Poonam.
made Raku and I have given you Reiki.
Poonam, 10 minutes, no, that 26 points it will cover from body to toe. That's what she mean to say. Again, Chokure to seize,
Drawing from
and again, whichever Reiki you want, you take 10 more minutes. The particular area
हाँ,
depends on
particular
the
area
client.
has to be 10 minutes minimum. Like 5 to 10 minutes लेके चलो.
Acha. So like
Yeah.
if Raku is being given, draw this symbol or maybe on the third eye chakra or maybe on the crown chakra and give the healing for 5 minutes there itself.
Raku is not for crown chakra, yaar. Raku is to
Ground.
lock the energies. Anywhere we are giving healing. Anywhere we have like balance we will draw it on the whole body. From head to toe. That is actually grounding also. The energies we are giving, maybe sometimes energy becomes more in one chakra and other one becomes lesser. So it will balance it also and like it will ground the extra energy from the body.
So draw it on the body and then give it from top to bottom.
And on your hands also you can lock and seal करने के लिए. You can do it
Okay.
on the
Give it on the entire
hands
chakras,
also.
26 chakras or just the 26 points or 7 chakras?
You can go anyway. Depends upon your time also, depends upon if you are charging someone for 1 hour session, so you can definitely go for 26 points. If you want to give on the particular area, you can go on particular area. If you want to go for chakras, you can handle that with chakras also. Because
Okay.
every chakra is handling some organs with it. Okay?
And then after Raku, cut this cord cut.
Cut the cord. ठीक है. अभी हुए 4 symbols. बाकी 2 रह गए हैं. But the meeting is going to end in another 5 minutes. Zoom is giving me 40 minutes only. ठीक है. Any
You have
doubt?
created your own Zoom?
Pardon?
You have created your own Zoom?
WhatsApp call कर लेती हूँ. No, not my Zoom actually. I can go for WhatsApp call. उसके बाद.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Thank you so much.
अभी हुए फिर कभी किसी दिन लेके बीच में इफ यू वी वांट कि हाँ आपको करना है तो वी हैव 2 more symbols सेकी शिखा सेकी and शिखा सो. Those are very important symbols for thyroid patients, for so many things, for bones, for so many things. Like, I have that kind
Shikha So.
that शिखा सो and शिखा सेकी.
शिखा सेकी तो you told ना just now. शिखा सेकी तो एक बात बोली थी ना
नहीं
अपना emotional
सेकी अलग
imbalance.
सेहकी
सेहकी
अलग
अलग and that
है.
is-
शिखा सेकी अलग है. That's a different symbol.
अच्छा ये तो बोला
I
to
just
get
see
See,
improved memory
now
power.
you
This
tell
is
me, I have multiple bone problem, shoulder pain, elbow pain, neck pain, knee pain. What should I do? Because I'm also like I cannot sit more time. Instant 2 minutes I'll take and I'm relieving my pain.
Bharti
So
ma'am, we will talk 1-to-1 because this is like this will be finishing
okay,
up.
yeah,
ठीक है,
yeah,
but that will take
okay,
longer time. ठीक है.
okay, fine.
So
We'll meet another time whenever you're free. You'll tell us, we'll join. It was a nice session. Thank you so
हाँ,
much.
thank you.
Okay.
Welcome
Yeah.
also.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for joining me.
Lots of
Thank you
love.
all.
God bless
Thank
you.
you.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.
All
Bye.
So
Bye.
we'll
appreciate that.
talk, we'll
Thank
stay in
you.
touch. We'll do those 2 also because those are very important. ठीक
Okay.
है
Thank you.
तो श्योर बाय
Okay, bye.
ओके टेक केयर बाय